Hello, people of the internet.
Not this.
This is Andy Twacey.
Nope, not even this. With these AI-generated avatar models that look so awesome and realistic, some people may say technological advancements like artificial intelligence will revolutionize everything. But how? Well, allow me to take a deeper dive into the rabbit hole to explain what is the meaning of all of this. Hello, people of the internet. This is the real Andy Twacey. One of the technological advancements that we are witnessing nowadays is happening after AI has touched education. Many concerns have been raised about the academic integrity and maintaining a fair learning experience. I'll show you 3 ways how AI transforms education into a different experience. AI can help by empowering analytics to predict learning behavior. With the great amount of data that we can collect on students' clicks, downloads, and views, we are now able to conclude what type of learners they are. With AI integrated into any learning management system, we can create a profile for each student preferences, whether they prefer to learn a topic by reading a text, watching videos, using simulations, doing research, or a mix of all of these methods. This way, not only we save time, but we also save efforts in tracking each student's learning behavior, which is a very promising thing for which AI can be our friend. Now, before I move on to the next application of AI in education, we need to understand that both instructors and students need to abide by some rules and regulations that systemize the educational process. That's just how we maintain a higher quality of our work in academia. Let's ask why some students may violate academic policies and commit some sort of academic dishonesty. These dishonesty acts are not good for academic integrity, and they come in many forms, like plagiarism, copying homeworks, and cheating in exams. The question is why? Well, there's a model that is called the fraud triangle that helps us in answering that question. Now, this fraud triangle consists of, first, the pressure. Some students do not like to retake that course again because they just would want to graduate, or they cannot afford paying for it one more time. The other one is opportunity. Now, this one, for some students, is awesome because when they find the opportunity to cheat in online exams, some students tend to love it. The last and not least factor is the rationalization, and this is a very dangerous one. Explains a little bit what's happening inside the student's mind when they attempt to violate some kind of academic integrity. AI can help us in proctoring online exams by creating some kind of balance for the pressure and also limiting the opportunity to violate academic integrity. Last year, I worked on developing an AI-based proctoring system with a team of magnificent minds. The idea of this system was to detect multifaces, eye movement, speech, and screen sharing. With the help of hundreds of amazing students who volunteered to take an exam proctored by AI, we discovered that the real challenge was the accuracy of AI in detecting violations in the online exams. For example, in Jordan, there are a lot of houses that have this type of spotlights. So when the system saw both spotlights like this, it recognized them as 2 eyes, marking it as a violation of another face, another human helping the exam taker. And since we are in a country with Muslim majority, we had to give some extra training data to the AI to recognize female students with hijab. In addition, another unexpected challenge, which was the skin color tone. It turned out that some skin tones needed to be fit to the training data as well. At any rate, the accuracy level, as indicated in our published paper, was not that promising. Nevertheless, it opened the way for more improvements to come. So yes, AI can help in maintaining academic integrity, but other AI-based tools can be used in a totally opposite way, like the Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, aka ChatGPT. Now, if you ask any instructor at any university, have you seen something like this before? Chances are they'll most likely say yes. It's the result of a similarity detection tool on a submitted paper. Well, guess what? Some of these solutions are now continuously developing tools to detect AI-generated text. It will be detected and labeled as AI-generated text. We all understand how tools like ChatGPT can have a negative impact on the thinking and analytical process. If someone finds that ChatGPT is very useful, save them a lot of time, and hence assist them into doing more and being more productive throughout the day. Other people may not have that privilege of knowing how to use ChatGPT to their benefit, and they may depend on it completely to search, to analyze and write everything and eventually impacting their thinking process. I'm fully aware of how AI is taking over many jobs now, yet it's really difficult to find a single, firm, official statistics that declares how many jobs AI has already created on a global level. Most of the speculations and predictions go from now to the year 2030, and some even got further to the year 2050, saying that AI could create more than the double number of jobs that it may displace, providing a net gain in employment opportunities. I really hope so. But until then, I mean from now until 2030, for example, the question remains.
Taking into consideration that I've already taken plenty of your jobs.
How are you preparing future workers to be able to take new jobs?
How are we preparing future workers to be able to take those new jobs? That being said, universities and all educational institutions are now invited to fully review their curriculum, the way we teach, and the way we do assessments, in order to accommodate tools like ChatGPT, AI-based proctoring, and learning behavior analytics. As always, thank you so much for watching. Let's get back to work.